Oh, hey guys, what's going on? Mail day today. If you couldn't tell, new Dux Apparel. Look at that, Pro Staff. Yeah. If you've seen the last couple videos, you know that I accepted the Dux Pro Staff. My order came in today, so let's check it out. Along with this this Dux Pro Staff sweatshirt, I got another Dux sandstone sweatshirt. We got these two Dux Waterfowl patch hats and this early riser hat. Another Dux sweatshirt. Let's see what this one looks like. A little Dux logo on the front. Look at that. American flag, Dux on the back. Can't get any more patriotic than that. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, look at this. You guys been watching the post. Dux just came out with a new seasoning. The all meat seasoning. It's in, ready to be used. Look at that. Dux all meat seasoning. Get it on the website right now before it's sold out. And we also got this Dux down heavy duty vest. Be great for this this fall duck season. Got one for me and one for Sam. And we also got some duck stickers in here too. The window decals, American flag, and Sam's barrel sticker, spray and pray. And then Dux Pro Staff for myself. So that's the Dux gear for today. Hit the link below in the description. Here's this month's July t-shirt for the subscription of the month. You can only get that for 2 more days and then you'll never see that shirt again. Hit the link below. Hit that monthly subscription so you guys can get those exclusive shirts every month for $15. It's $15. That's it. You get an exclusive shirt, and once that month's over, you'll never see that shirt again. Hit the link below. Go cop yourself that shirt. Get you some of this Dux gear like this right here. And we also got another package from Carl's Bait and Tackle. Let's open this up and show you what we got in here. Oh, look at that. Guggen Squad Grande Recon. You know I love the Guggen Squad products. We got a bunch of jigs in here. Grass Hero jig. Another little juicy jig. Had to replace that Filthy Frog. The American Bullfrog one that I got locked into the reeds. You guys seen that one. Another juicy jig. Another Grande Recon. Two more Grass Hero jigs. Down in the description, again, go to shopcarls.com, use TryMTB10, get your first Shop Carls box, regular box for $10. Hit the link below, use that code, they get great stuff, become a member every month. The Guggen Squad rods hit pre-order on the 31st of July. If you're not a member, you're not getting that exclusive access, so become a Carl's Shop Carl's member exclusive and get those stuff for free. Today's video, we're going to be going over finishing the sanding the Jon Boat. We're going to paint it, show you what that looks like, and there we go. So if you haven't been following along, we've been doing a little Jon Boat restoration for duck season, whatever. To this point, we have got it sanded down. I got the transom, half of the transom taken off for the outside. I still need to do that, but what I'm going to do today is get this boat wiped down and then hopefully get it painted today. All I'm doing is just some rattle can Rust-Oleum camo paint. I really don't care about what it looks like other than that, because it's just going to be a little Jon Boat for like frog fishing or nighttime, whatever, you know, duck hunting. I don't know, it's not going to be anything super special. So this is what it looks like right now. I did a little test run with the paint. I just wanted to see what it looked like, but we need to get it wiped down and get all the dust off of it. I took this outside part for the transom off. Like I said, I still need to to fix that up. Yeah, it's all sanded down. I mean, it's not the greatest in the world, and I really don't care if it's the greatest or not. But we'll get this thing wiped down. You guys, I'll show you a time lapse of that. What I think I'm gonna do for now on Wednesdays is instead of doing like a review Wednesday, we'll just do like a vlog, me doing stuff around here, getting prepped for like duck season, hunting season, things of that nature. If that's what you guys want to see, leave a comment down below. If not, let me know what you guys want to see for these Wednesdays videos. Sundays will be, you know, the regular fishing, hunting, etc. But just let me know what you guys want to see in these Wednesday videos. I'll do whatever. I'll keep doing the reviews, or I'll do some more stuff like this, prep, like I said. Just let me know down in the comments. But here's a time lapse of me getting the boat ready. All right, everybody, so it's dry. We're gonna get some more painting done. Here's the paints that I plan on using. Nothing special, like I said. This nasty old weed. It's not gonna be the most professional thing in the world, but I promise you it'll be just enough for it to look somewhat decent, you know. Let's go. Man, I didn't get any of that. I'm so sorry. Well, I spray painted the front, so. right, so as you can see with the time lapse, we got the boat painted around the bottom edge here. Doesn't look too bad for spray paint can paint job. Still say trash, but hot trash, right? All right, let's get some of these effects with this bush going. Pro is overheating, but I just put some black accent on this with that bush. It doesn't look too bad. It looks really good, actually. At least I think. You guys might think something different. We're gonna try to put some tan on there, see what the tan looks like. I'll show you that what that looks like here. It's like with the black and the green. I think that looks pretty freaking legit. Not gonna lie. There's the plain green. There's the camo pattern. Let me know what you guys think down below. That's what we're gonna do the rest of the boat. It's hot, so I'm gonna try to get in the black and the tan done today. If you like what you've seen in today's video, make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications if you haven't already, so that you guys can get next Sunday's upload and every other upload after that. Get those notifications. Thank you guys. If you haven't checked out my Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter accounts, those will be on the screen right here. Like I said, thank you guys very much. And until next time,